that prize before.
Here we are in Furnace Creek, Death Valley.
Oh, he's really irrelevant with those. He's videotaping. What are you taping?
Oh, just the scenery.
So weird.
I'm playing tourist. Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Roll down the window. Pretty nice out.
Very nice. Yeah.
It's like Baja.
There's Calvin. Pumped up, ready?
Yeah.
Came to compete.
I was gonna go one day. It was like $55 for this. One day, I was like, screw that.
Just jump on in.
Sue, we need your voice. Sue, voice.
No, that was me giving directions. Go take a right at the
Sue,
bad golf.
Group photo time.
Sue, we need your voice.
There you go, Dave.
Okay, group photo.
Somebody louder than me. I know it's making loud. Up there, and over a height.
Yeah, do the Tebow pose.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Hey, we get back to just get everybody's email address.
Yeah. Let's have a program everybody's phone now. I don't even have his address in my phone yet.
Wow.
I know.
Yeah.
Have you ever done a half marathon?
Yeah. I did a half last September.
Wow. Okay, I'll try that someday. I'm right here.
Well, since then I get on my way back because I start eating. When I was running, I was like going 4 or 5 times a week, and I was eating so healthy.
Then Kelly's gonna drive all the way back.
Thanks for driving on the way.
That's okay. I did okay. I didn't. Every time you come back from a trip, you like praise on, praise for that. Thank you. Like a television. You jump or something where you at?
Yeah, it was not fun.
Oh, I didn't make it.
We were like, it's so steep.
Okay.
I told my
Oh, really? Nice. I'm always looking for it. Yeah.
Searching for a signal.
Always looking for it.
Southwest. Okay. Yeah. No, I'm actually thinking about moving there. Actually. Oh, really? Shit. Contract for a house. Oh, really?
Yeah, my cousin's
I like to swing on the golf or driving range. All right.
Hi.
Hello.
I learned my lesson about getting drunk with strangers. Did beer pong. Not fun. Yeah.
You went to like,
A bar with kickball people and didn't know them. Played flip cups.
not strangers, but enough to do with them.
Yeah, but yeah,
Best friends, by the way.
played flip cups and beer pong. Not fun.
What? Flip cup?
Flip cup.
I definitely like flip cups better than beer pong. Just because you can include more people in the game.
Yeah.
Beer pong is just you stand there and watch for like an hour, and then you can play for like maybe 10 minutes, and then.
So all this conversation has pointed out to one thing. Everybody wants a beer right now.
I down.
You don't want a beer.
MGD myself. MGD.
You drink beer?
You don't like beer?
Actually, a nice cold bottle of water sounds good right now.
Wait. Even when I'm not, I'll just do this. When I'm not hiking, and I'm not trying to be the most interesting person, well, I always reach for my Dos Equis. Stay thirsty.
Stay thirsty, my friends. Yes.
Fill that entirely with vodka.
Yeah, those were good. I had them yesterday at Manly Bay. Oh, good one.
Up there, you guys. Start with 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, we're doing a head count.
Hey, count off up there.
1, 2.
Okay,
I need 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm 9.
10.
10.
11.
12. You're 12. Over there, yellow hat on the hill.
Yellow, right
12. Okay, then I'm going to start with you. 13.
I think some people need to drink more water. There's signs of dehydration.
16, 17,
Yeah.
18,
You can sense it. Ready?
Are you guys going?
No one's counting off.
Yeah.
21. You with us? Yes. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41,
Yeah, and then
44, 45,
yeah. Oh yeah.
It's the best I got. So
45, and those two sitting over there are with us.
I counted 51 all the
I just didn't realize it's this hot.
good shake. Clean up like nothing.
Not bad for a 36-year-old, eh?
Dude, I didn't realize your friend was so young. So pretty go past. Yeah.
Done like 1,000-foot elevation game
Don't
already.
videotape me. Witness protection program. I can't be on any.
Oh, you should be in Joshua Tree then, not here.
Okay, how do you know that?
It's classified information.
Yeah, I know. Don't kill me, please.
You can tell I'm out of breath. We're almost to Zabriskie Point, which is right there. So a little bit more, and we'll be able to take a break. We already got more of this I can be part for, but hey, we're making it in Death Valley. That's where we were walking around earlier. And now on to Zabriskie Point. Check back with you in a few minutes. So here we are, Zabriskie Point. Of course, the road goes right by it, and we could have just parked there and been up here in 5 minutes. But we took the path less traveled. I think it took us a total of an hour and a half, almost 2 hours to get up here. And, it's good.
Figure out what the heck I took a picture of. I took a picture of something on my phone and
Yeah.
it looks like
I think I used your restroom.
You can do it.
You can do it! You do it! I don't know what I'm doing here!
Are there any words of inspiration you want to give the group?
Yeah, what I want to... What I gotta do, I don't... How you doing? This is Arnold Schwarzenegger! And next thing I know, I was the governor of California. And I'm here with my wonderful people. What can I say? And Maria, I'm sorry, Maria. I don't mean to do what I did, but... Hey, I'm... Oh, no, you know, he just couldn't be, you know, just talking with Maria. He had to go...
He's going to become a YouTube sensation.
Exactly.
You have a YouTube account?
Yeah.
Here in the valley, bounce it off that.
Yeah, the camera back when
is really, it's really warm the first couple of days.
Yeah.
When you get the water out of the valley.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Well, it won't be like...
Yeah, stay there. We may need your help in a sec. Okay, where's everyone going to put these?
You got music in the background.